Okay, I got all of these 2 rows of potatoes dug. This is what I got from the white potatoes right here. Down on the end were a few dark Red Norland and some Russet potatoes to add to the bunch. The dark Red Norlands are pretty. The problem that I have in this in-ground bed, and why I think I might just concentrate on the raised beds for the potatoes next year, is that we have this clay. When you hit this with your shovel, it's like hitting a brick. And no matter, I think I've added new compost and dirt on top of this area of the garden at least 4 or 5 times, and still you just go down a couple inches and it's like hitting a rock. So I feel like these potatoes don't have enough room to expand. The russets, I always have a hard time growing a decent sized russet. So on one hand, I feel like, do I want to quit growing russets? But then on the other hand, I say to myself that I haven't tried them in the raised bed yet. Maybe they would do better in that looser soil where they had more room to expand. But this was probably a 3-foot by about 15 to 20 foot area with these 2 rows. And I feel like I did better in the raised beds on my potatoes this year. So there's the total for today. The dark Red Norlands, the Russets, and the Kennebec whites. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.